Hello and welcome. This is just going to go over Linux basics for hackers in Chapter 10, File System and Storage. It's a simple one. And then I might skip over Chapter 11 because that's more on the logging system with LeafPad, uh, with also with the shred command because you can shred your evidence, but that's just normal stuff. Here's Chapter 11 to explain. It's just LeafPad. And then to remove anything else, it's just the shred command. So then, any case that just cover your tracks, you can also just use the RM command to remove files. So that's basically what that one is. So 10 is simple. 2, this is just going over device directory. So like, let's say, let's change it to dev, right? Just dash L, list. These are all the users that own that said file. So root's obviously going to be the biggest one. Yeah, and you can also check the disk with the fdisk command too, with unmounting and mounting. That comes with also other Linux based stuff where you can mount a directory and then use it. But for most of it, you have just own it, who owns the file. That's basically what it is. And then when you have like 2046, I think, I can't remember. Let's just use all. Right. Yeah, I think it's that port. I can't remember, but it's the port where um you can mount things, so basically show mount as the command, and then if that port is open, you can see what you can use. Then you use the mount command to grab the directory and then use it. And then you want to use the unmount command. Spell unt. Umount, sorry. For when you want to unmount it. And then you can run the SG. Man. Or you can run that to check whatever the dev is. So that's just basically 10 and 11 in a nutshell. And then next we're going to go over using services. That's going to be its own thing because that's also going to be how you can abuse cron jobs within Linux. And then the rest is going to be simple on stuff, how to remain anonymous and becoming secure, um, understanding Wi-Fi, and then wireless networks, and automating jobs with task. It's pretty much almost the same here, but yeah, 12 is going to be a very interesting one. And I struggled with cron jobs, but once you get the hang of it, it's not too bad. It's just the hard part is just getting to hit them off. But yeah, that's chapter 10 and 11 of Linux Basics for Hackers. Thank you for watching.